The Delhi High Court will hear a plea from power distribution companies following the state government's orders for a government-led audit against them.
Well, power companies had threatened up to 10 hours of load shedding every day shortly after the move.
The Aam Aadmi Party government has taken the battle to the power companies after being continuously ignored by the DERC and threatened by power companies. Kejriwal and company have shot off a counter ultimatum to the power companies and used the DERC's shoulder for the deed. In a letter sent by the Delhi Power Secretary to DERC, the Aam Aadmi Party government has sought revocation of the licenses given to the BSES companies under Section 19D of the Electricity Act. The letter says if the companies are not financially strong enough to buy power from NTPC, which could result in blackouts from next Monday, it is ground enough to cancel the licenses. According to the Delhi government, extensive blackouts due to the financial difficulties of the DISCOMs was not acceptable.
बिजली की कोई कटौती नहीं होने वाली है। ये बिजली कंपनियां बदमाशी करके पैनिक क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं, ब्लैकमेलिंग करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं। इन्होंने चिट्ठी लिखी थी कुछ दिन पहले, इनको बुला के पावर डिपार्टमेंट ने चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब ने बातचीत की थी और कोई बिजली की कटौती नहीं होने वाली है। लेकिन मैं इनको चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि अगर इस तरह से ये फ्यूचर में जबरदस्ती पैनिक क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करेंगी तो फिर इनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Delhi Power Discoms have defended their losses. According to a BSES spokesperson, the 35,000 crore rupee loss it incurred in the past 10 years have accrued as savings to the Delhi government. BSES also claimed it was not aware of any letter by the Delhi government to regulator DERC. The Discom further said that any development of this sort should have been discussed in the board meetings, as the Delhi government is a 49% stakeholder in the Discom. This is not the first face-off between Kejriwal and the Discoms. The first standoff was on the 8th of October 2012 when he protested at the DERC office against inflated power bills. Following a series of more run-ins, Kejriwal, armed with a mandate from the Delhi public on 18 December last year, asked Delhiites not to pay power bills till tariffs were reduced. Despite DERC warnings, Kejriwal went on to waive power bills and ordered a CAG audit into the accounts of Discoms. However, he was in for a shock last week when DERC hiked power bills by 8%.